Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now by locking prerequisites. Your only way account active, 2FA enabled, and a public profile so developers can verify you quickly. Once done, open the Game Hub and submit the tester registration form. Include platform, time zone, and hardware specs. This speeds assignment. Also prepare 3 short clips plus a 200-word intro that shows you can give concise, useful feedback. These assets prove intent and competence, making you stand out versus applicants who submit empty forms. Once registered, move to visibility and vetting. Join the official Only Way Discord, claim tester roles, and set a clear nickname so devs can find you. Then post a concise tester pitch including your clips, availability windows, and focus areas like combat or UI. Make sure to tag the tester channel correctly. Engage daily by answering dev calls, attending scheduled playtests, and submitting structured bug reports that explain reproduction steps and impact. This builds trust and moves you up the priority list. To finalize access, accept any NDAs, sign the beta invite promptly, and follow the developer feedback template exactly. Consistency matters. Prioritize reproducible bugs, attach logs, timestamps, and save files so your reports are acted on quickly. If something goes wrong, make sure your platform permissions and game build are current, update drivers, or reinstall if needed. Then DM a moderator with clear evidence and steps you already tried. That prevents repeat requests and gets you back into testing fast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.